I just got the battle pass and I've completed it. So, we're gonna be doing a chest opening. 1 winners, 2 fighters, and 8 regular. Let's see what we get. Okay, gems. I can't really go wrong with... Well, I guess you technically can, but... What's next? Okay, more gems. Let's see. What do we got next? Gem. Imagine all gems. Well, in this... there is some things I really want in the winner's chest. There's a good amount of things. Oh, hey, the squirrel's pretty good. Not the best, but hey, this is the regular chest. Okay, more gems. Okay, more gems. And the last one of the first. Gems. Oh, and I can have a few extras because I have enough with keys. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the pods because, I mean, like, how are you gonna do it? So 5 gems and gems. Why do I get gems so much? Now for the fighters. There's some cool things in here. I'll tell you guys what I'll be okay with this. I would rather not get this. It's cool, but you can get that from the basic. This one's pretty cool, but I mean, with all the events going on, you're not gonna see it. I honestly I'm not a big fan of the head bug. I would be okay with the rifle. I would be fine with the Monster Blaster or, where is it? Oh yeah, the Death Star. Honestly, same as I said the other. I'm not going. Wait, please don't demonetize me, YouTube. I didn't mean to say it. Monster Shovel. Of course, the alien squirrel I got. This one's pretty sick, gotta admit. I would be okay with that, but I'd rather not because it's a battle pass weapon. And that's really... Let's see if I'll get anything. Hey, I'm fine with that. And now the left. I'm fine with this. I'm okay with this. I would rather not that. I really want this. It's pretty cool. No. I don't really want the beast that much either. This is basically a copy of the squid guy. I don't really want it. And that's... I don't really want the Presser Bush either. So, let's see. You're joking. Well, that wraps up our video. See ya. Have a good rest of your day.